April 15th, 2026. That is the hard deadline to file your 2025 annual income tax return. But this tax season operates under a new set of rules, governed by the Ease of Paying Taxes, or EOPT Act. In the past, filing meant clearing your schedule to visit a specific revenue district office and waiting in line for a physical ink stamp on your paperwork. The EOPT Act strips those manual choke points out of the compliance system. This diagram shows the new 4-phase pipeline for modern tax compliance. Step 1 is form selection. Step 2 is digital or manual filing. Step 3 is payment routing. And Step 4 is attachment submission. Following this strict sequence ensures your compliance and bypasses the bureaucratic delays that used to define tax season. Let's start with Step 1. Your exact filing pathway is dictated by one thing: your official taxpayer classification. You can find this listed on your BIR Form 2303, which serves as your certificate of registration. If you are classified as a medium or large taxpayer, your route is locked. You are legally mandated to file electronically. This table shows the options for individual business taxpayers classified as micro or small. They are given dual options. They can file electronically, or they can choose the manual route using BIR Form 1701MS. For Forms 1701A and 1701, taxpayers opting for digital filing must use either the offline eBIR Forms package or the EPFS system. For the manual 1701MS route, download the form and print exactly 3 copies on legal or folio bond paper. If you lack internet access or need assistance with the electronic systems, the BIR provides a physical safety net called the e-lounge at local revenue district offices. Keep in mind, priority access is given to senior citizens and persons with disabilities. By offering both a manual and digital route, the BIR ensures that micro and small taxpayers maintain control over their filing method. You are not forced into a digital workflow if your business operations are entirely paper-based. This document specifies the exact software required for non-EFPS electronic filers. You must use the offline eBIR Forms package, specifically version 7.9.5. Once you have the correct software version, you will fill out your digital form and initiate the submission to route your data to the BIR servers. However, be aware of a known system vulnerability. During peak filing days, heavy server traffic can severely delay the official email confirming your return was successfully received. Because eBIR Forms and EFPS are the official platforms identified here, you need a backup to prove your procedural compliance. The moment a pop-up appears on your screen confirming a successful submission, capture a screenshot. That screenshot is your immediate legal proof of filing. If the BIR's automated confirmation email takes hours or days to arrive, your proactive visual proof protects you from late penalties. This circular lists the approved digital payment gateways for instant remote tax settlement. You can pay using MyEG, which processes credit cards and electronic wallets like Gcash, Maya, and GrabPay. If you operate strictly in cash, there is a manual alternative. You can process your payment over the counter at an authorized agent bank, or AAB. This section details a crucial operational update to the penalty structure. Notice the text explicitly stating, "No penalty shall be imposed for wrong venue." Under the old system, paying outside of your assigned district triggered an automatic fine. Today, micro and small taxpayers can walk into any AAB or revenue district office nationwide to process their payment. Geographical payment restrictions have been completely abolished. Paying your tax is no longer a logistical hurdle. It is a straightforward, immediate transaction wherever you are. That brings us to the final compliance phase, submitting supplementary documents. This includes your audited financial statements and Form 2307s, which certify creditable tax withheld. This paragraph in Section V addresses those attachments. It explicitly states that having your documents physically stamped "Received" by a BIR office is no longer required. Instead of a physical ink stamp, the system relies on a digital tax return receipt confirmation, or TRRC. This digital receipt serves as the absolute legal equivalent of the old physical stamp. This graphic shows the strict deadline for digital uploads. You must submit these attachments using the Electronic Audited Financial Statement, or EAFS system, within exactly 15 days from the deadline of filing your return. By severing the tie to physical stamps and shifting document collection to the EAFS portal, the EOPT Act finalizes a fully remote, paperless audit trail. Let's recap the 4 critical milestones. First, verify your classification to select your form. Second, execute the file and capture a screenshot. Third, pay through any digital gateway or approved bank. And fourth, submit your attachments through the EAFS system. Secure your required software, EBER Forms version 7.9.5, and Forms immediately to avoid the inevitable bandwidth crush that hits the servers every April. Understanding this digital infrastructure changes how you approach tax season. You no longer have to navigate physical queues and restrictive jurisdictions. You just follow the procedural pipeline to securely finalize your obligations through a predictable, manageable system.